So I've been very clear from day one that every meeting does not have a conclusion or does not have any news. It's just a process. But the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward, and that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share, but as you can see, we are continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion. So from my side, now all the processes and discussions are to the interlocutor now.
So what was the meeting
process? Discussion. As I said, it is with Chief Secretary right now. As soon as I got it in Delhi, I have sent it to Chief Secretary. We will be sharing, they'll be going through it, and the presentation will be given to us. And once that is done, to us means the cabinet. And once that is done, then we'll take a decision on how to move forward. I cannot comment on that right now because I have not seen the reports, and neither have I. Don't have information on that. But from the government side, obviously every step that has to be taken to ensure that this menace is brought under control. Obviously, government will do whatever it's necessary. It'll go on. It may happen in weeks, maybe days. So it's a process, as I said. It's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to allow you to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work. There is a process, so it's difficult to say right now. So process will continue. We hope that we'll be able to move things at a faster pace. So that's what our objective is right now.